Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Beats Studio Buds to your iPhone. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to go ahead and use the sound output on their iPhone to connect it to their Beats Studio Buds. So how do you actually connect the two devices together? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but what we're first going to do is we're going to grab our iPhone and then click on settings right over here. And then next, you're going to click on Bluetooth. Now, as you can see, your iPhone is currently searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. Now, with your Beats Studio Buds, you want to go ahead and open it up, and then you want to click on this invisible button, okay? Now, sometimes when you open up your earbuds next to your iPhone, it should automatically see it. But if it doesn't see it, if you press this middle button right over here and hold it until it starts blinking white, you've now put your Beats into pairing mode. So as you can see here, Nikki's Studio Buds now appear in the Bluetooth. So you just simply click on it and then wait for it to connect. And there you have it. Now the Studio Buds have been connected, and you can see that it's a solid white to indicate that it's been connected to your iPhone. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Beats Studio Buds to your iPhone. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.